Hello everyone, I'm Aisha. You are watching AI Tech Vision. Hello. What if tomorrow, someone with half your experience starts doing your work twice as fast and better, just because they know how to use AI? We're living in a time where one skill can completely change your future, and that skill is understanding how to use artificial intelligence. This isn't something coming in the future. It's already here. And the gap between people who use AI and those who don't, this is growing every single day. So the real question is simple. Are you going to adapt or get left behind? Let's be real. AI isn't some sci-fi concept anymore. It's already doing things that used to take hours, days, even entire teams. It writes content, designs visuals, builds websites, analyzes complex data, even helps people study, code, and run businesses. And here's the truth most people ignore. People who understand AI are now more valuable than people who only rely on traditional skills. Students are finishing work faster. Creators are producing better content. Entrepreneurs are launching ideas with minimal resources. So where does that leave you? Still waiting or ready to learn? Step 1, understand the basics without overcomplicating. You don't need to dive into technical jargon or complex formulas. Just get the idea. AI learns from data. It identifies patterns, and it helps automate or improve tasks. Think of it like this. Instead of doing everything manually, you now have a smart assistant that learns and improves with you. Step 2, start using AI tools actively. Watching tutorials won't make you skilled. You need to use the tools. Try platforms like AI chatbots, image generators, or writing assistants. But don't just use them casually. Ask yourself, why did this output work? What happens if I change the input? Where does it fail? That curiosity is what builds real skill. Step 3, learn in small, focused steps. Don't try to master everything at once. Break it down. Learn prompting. Explore image creation. Try automation tools. Combine tools into simple workflows. Small progress done consistently beats overwhelming yourself. Step 4, change how you think. Stop asking, can AI replace this? How can AI improve this? That shift changes everything. Because AI isn't here to compete with you, it's here to multiply your ability. Step 5, apply it to your life. No matter who you are, AI has a place. Students can use AI to create summaries, quizzes, and detailed explanations. Business owners can leverage it for automation, marketing, and analytics, and creators can find ideas, generate scripts, and develop visuals. Your goal is simple. Find where AI fits into your work. This guide breaks down the key steps to get started. Focus on understanding the basics and learning the tools. Consistency is the key. Step 6, stay updated and keep exploring. AI moves fast. What works today might change tomorrow. So stay curious. Follow updates. Experiment often. Keep learning. Step 7, build something real. Knowledge alone isn't enough. Create something. A small automation, a chatbot, a content workflow. Because real learning happens when you build. Here's the reality. The winners in this AI era won't be the smartest people. They'll be the fastest learners. You don't need a degree. You don't need coding skills. You just need curiosity and the willingness to start. One small step today can put you ahead of thousands tomorrow. So don't wait. Learn it, Luis, use it, build with it. Because the future doesn't belong to those who fear AI. It belongs to those who know how to use it. If this opened your eyes, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let's grow together in this AI revolution.